Hey there, YouTube fam. Have you ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers create those polished, professional-looking videos? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you exactly how I film and edit my YouTube videos from start to finish. In this video, you'll learn my go-to equipment and setup for filming, lighting and sound tips for high-quality production, how I plan and script my videos for maximum impact, the editing software I use and why I love it. Step-by-step editing process to make your videos pop. Adding effects, transitions, and music to enhance your content. Final touches and uploading tips for the best viewer experience whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned creator looking to up your game. This video is packed with practical tips and tricks to help you elevate your content. I'll share all my secrets, from setting up the perfect shot to fine-tuning the final edit, so you can create videos that stand out on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest content. If you have any questions or video ideas, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all.